Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. I'm your host, Josh Watchford, and today we're learning about a jump list in Neovim. So let's jump right in. First up, let's define what a jump list is. The jump list is a history of cursor positions that you've jumped to before. This means it tracks location jumps and not edits. So actions that will count as a jump include searching, such as slash patterns or question mark pattern, going to definitions, moving large distances. This includes capital G to move to the end of a file and lowercase gg to move to the top of a file, marks, and file switching. This means that small cursor movements such as H, J, K, or L don't count towards a jump list. So let's give an example of the jump list. So let's say I want to find the definition for its function. To do that, I just do gd and enter, and now I'm at the function. However, if I want to go back to the previous file, all I'd have to do is press Ctrl O, and now I'm back. To go forward again, I can just do Ctrl I, and that's basically how you use a jump list. If you want to see all your jumps, then you just do colon jumps, and just like that, you can see all the jumps you've made. That's pretty much all there is to jump list. Jump list is basically acts as what your browser history will do. And this is really useful. If you're on a file and you're switching between files a lot, like the example I just gave, where you're looking towards the definition of a function and then jumping back out to write some more code, this is where jump lists can really be helpful for you. But that's pretty much all there is for today's episode. If you like the episode, then like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future episodes, drop a comment below. Until then, see you next time.